If you love pancakes, get ready to take a pancake recipe to the next level. With this soft and fluffy strawberry banana pancake, it's very easy to prepare and it's packed with real fruit flavors that will keep you longing for more. So without waste of time, let's get right into it. So to make this pancake, I'll be transferring some chopped strawberry and banana into the blender. I'll be adding about half cup of water to it, then cover and allow to blend properly. Next, I'll be cracking up one egg into a mixing bowl. Egg is very important whenever you want to make pancake. So I'll be transferring the blended fruit to it alongside with honey, although you can also choose to use sugar for your pancakes, just any one of your choice, they both work perfectly well. I'll also be adding milk to our wet ingredient alongside with all-purpose flour that I've saved already. I'll also be adding some baking powder, milk flavoring powder, salt and vegetable oil, then mix everything together. The full ingredients and measurements will also be in the description box down below, so please go and ensure you check it out. So my batter is a bit too thick. I'll be adding little milk to it in order to loosen up the consistency. Whenever you want to make pancake and you've added flour to your mixture, try not to overmix your batter to avoid activating gluten, which will make your pancake to be chewy instead of being all soft and fluffy. So this is the consistency of mine and this is perfect. Just in case yours is too thick as a result of the size of fruit you use, just go ahead and add little milk as I did, or you can even add water to loosen up the consistency. Next, I'll be placing my pan on low heat and allow to heat up, after which I'll be transferring the batter to it just the way I'm actually doing it and allow to bake. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes or thereabouts. Once the pancake starts to bubble up at the top this way, just know it's actually time to flip your pancake. So let's flip it over to see what we have. Just take a look at this goodness. I'll be allowing mine for 1 extra minute just so the other side could brown up as well. Okay, this is perfect. I'll just go ahead and remove it and repeat the same process for the remaining batter. But remember to use a very low heat just so the batter will have enough time to cook properly from the inside without getting burnt on the outside. So that's it guys, our strawberry banana pancake is pretty much ready. Since I love to go extra, I'll be topping up mine with some strawberry and banana slice. I'll also be adding little fruit at the side just for presentation purpose. Then I'll be drizzling honey to it for sweetness. Next time you want to make pancake, ensure you add fruits to them to enjoy a healthy fruity pancake. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.